rage or disgust, terror or shame? How do you cope with intense emotions? You might have learned from nonviolent communication that feelings and needs link to each other, but how do you actually open yourself, open your window for your own emotions to stay grounded and express yourself? And how do you manage to hold others in emotions that even might be a little bit hard for yourself to enter, to recognize, and to receive? That is what Caught in a Storm, the 8 Secrets of Intense Emotions are about. It's a 4-week course, 1.5 hours each week. It's online, and you will be guided through the neurobiology of emotions, as well as practical exercises for you to explore the limits of your welcome of emotion and how you can receive yourself in the first place and others in a helpful manner when the storm hits. So hope to see you there.